Alright everybody, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today is the day I'm going to install the Uphere sleeve extensions, model number NSC30. They're black, they're right in front of me. I'm excited to go ahead on and cover up the ketchup with mustard cables as y'all see right here. Just like I said, they don't bother me, but I just want to go ahead and make it look a little cleaner, more sleeker, and on a budget level. Now y'all know I do a lot of budget price lists and everything, and they do comes with the non-modular sleeve cables, but they're all black. But now the power supplies are getting expensive now. But if you still don't ketchup and mustard cables, I recommend these here for your presentation of bills. If you decide to change the ketchup mustard cable to more of a black sleek look. Here, simple basic build. This is my editing and my business rig. So does a lot of spreadsheets, a lot of market material stuff like that, as well as thumbnails, etc., etc., etc. For my channel, we're putting up this and that, and normally does a lot of spreadsheet business stuff and everything. I need to like prices, etc. So this is one reason why I'm switching up to it. Now I do sit to it. It is the presentational field. I want to go ahead and give it more of a nice, good, sleek, clean look. I don't mind looking at the ketchup mustard cables, but I want to go ahead and make it more cleaner and more sleeker and do it on a budget level. Now if you want more money, you want to spend more money as doing a theme build. Now keep in mind I don't do theme builds. I do basic builds. Basic, simple, and easy builds. They could be used for gaming, they could be used for office clerical, and etc. So, what I'm also going to be doing as well too is putting my Rate Max 80 Plus white back in, getting out the bronze. I don't need the bronze because the bronze is mostly used for 1080p gaming, and it's a good hefty power supply to be on if you're going to be on your system longer than over 4 hours. But I'm on my system less than 4 hours, doing this, doing that, getting things done. So I'm going to go ahead and cover up the ketchup and mustard cables, and I'm excited to go ahead and install them. Let's do this. Alright everybody, she is done. She came out nice. I mean, she came out really, really nice. I mean, I am happy with it. Now y'all know that I got the cable columns going a little backwards because my connect piece is set differently on the motherboard, the ASRock motherboard. So other than that, she's nice. The top pin, cause I'm on a 4-pin instead of an 8-pin CPU connect. So the top pins, I might just go ahead and add some cable combs up there. But other than that, she turned out really, really nice. So Other than that, I cannot really go bad with it or complain about it because they are good. I didn't mention it before. The up here sleeve extension cables are 11.8 inches, so it gives you enough room to work with. Y'all know I do my cable management off back because now I got to reroute these cables. I give a good look, turn around, a nice, good, decent look for y'all in the back. You know, she's not that bad, not that bad at all. So once I go ahead on, and then I can go ahead and still flatten it down. I go ahead and tie this down into the corners there. You know, go ahead until my tie line runs there. Or I just might just let this head hang low because my case fits over the back personal anyway. And then I'm gonna have to reroute my fan controller hub somewhere else. But I will not be taking this loose anytime soon. So other than that, she's good to go. Y'all know I do my camera management off camera just like I mentioned. So other than that, she looks nice, really nice. If for the PC users, I'll make this clear. For the PC users that are still using ketchup and mustard cables, this here Uphere sleeve extension model number NSC30 is not that bad. The total cost of it is $14.99. Look, $15. $15. You can get it off Amazon. I will be putting the link in the description below if y'all want to purchase some. To the ones that say my PC is still fine, I don't mind the ketchup and mustard cables. If you want to leave it as is, that's up to you. That's your PC. To him and her, it's your PC, just like I mentioned. You don't have to change it if you do not want to. And to the ones that are on a presentation window, and you want to go ahead on and give it a nice, good, cleaner look instead of looking at the ketchup and mustard cables, then that's up to you as a consumer if you want to purchase them for $14.99 off Amazon. Other than that, she came out great. Now she is getting a little dusty. Yes, she is getting a little dusty, so I'm worried about like another year or so, and y'all gonna see me clean it down, break it down. Y'all saw me struggle moving down, getting our power supply out there, the old Silver Sonic power supply. This is 600 watt power supply here, 80 plus bronze. Same thing, ketchup and mustard cables. If I decide to do a nice, good little presentational rig with it, or build my wife a nice home system where she can work at home eventually. She guys coming soon. She haven't decided yet. I can still use this power supply. As y'all know, y'all see no dust on it. I keep all my parts in working condition. And this is one thing about being a tech enthusiast as well, is that I like to go ahead and take care of my hardware. This is one reason why I have a hard time updating, even though I could be on it about 10, 12 years from now. And if I do decide to update this AM4 motherboard, I basically will be going back to Intel because when I threw away my Compact Presario years ago, I went to Intel, then AMD, because the Compact Presario was on AMD, the K6 processors. It's a lot to go on, but right now, as of upgrading from the ketchup mustard cables, I really like it. It looks nice, and these cables are not bad from up here. That's one reason why I went back to the cable sleeve. I'm not gonna go ahead and bore you with how far along tech we are, but the way tech is going now, and for the people that still are on ketchup and mustard cables, this is where to go. Now, if you're doing presentational rigs or theme built rigs, then Uphere do have some colors for you. It's not as much as like Cable Mods doing other cable sleeve companies does, but these cable sleeves from Uphere are very well spot on. I'll be putting in the description below in the link all the descriptions of the colors they have, etc. that you might want to use for your system. If you want to stick to your ketchup mustard, that's up to you. If you want to go to a more clean aesthetic look like I just did here, then you can go ahead and buy the cable sleeve from Uphere. I want to thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.